Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this one is Khel Khel Mein the Sports Quiz by Quiz Quarantine by Rajibul and Devayan. This is me Rajibul explaining about the answers for the Khel Khel Mein quiz. Here's the first question. X is an Indian sports person uh, born in Uttar Pradesh and was a recipient of many accolades. He was in a hostel is also named at Aligarh Muslim University, and where he was an alumnus, and he was also honored with citizens in Vienna. Uh, so what we are looking for, the name of a person, the answer is Major Dhyan Chand. Easy one to start with. Question 2. So we are looking for what are they famous for? Pranab Bardhan, a teacher at Jadavpur University, and Shivnath Sarkar. So Jakarta gave away hint in 2018. So what we are looking for? Nothing but gold medal in bridge in Asian Games 2018. Moving on to the next question. So we were looking for a particular incident. Israel played a friendly football match with another country in Haifa, northern Israel, with both teams filled with former players. So there was one particular incident, including a Israeli referee. So what we were looking for, easy one. The referee took a selfie with Kaka. So selfie with Kaka. Referee took a selfie with Kaka is good enough. Moving on to the next question, question 4. So we were looking for the name of the players. After the split with her partner, X was scouting around for a potential partner to play with. So in 2015, the duo became the first women's double team from India to win a Grappy title, notching a win at the Canadian Grappy. So we are looking for the name of the players. Easy one. Jwala Gutta and Ashwini Ponappa, the most famous duo in Indian badminton. Question 5. Next question. Josh Hazelwood to Martin Guptill out. Seam movement for Hazelwood pins Guptill on the back leg given. Blah blah blah. So this was a commentary of a test match in Adelaide, Australia in 2015. Either fill in the blanks or tell what was special about this wicket. So you're looking for a particular speciality or the blank. The answer is this was the first wicket in international day night match. The bank is pink ball. So pink ball wicket or the first wicket in international day night match is good enough. First pink ball wicket is good enough. Next question, we were looking for a particular sports or X and Y. The sport was invented by Dutch performance artist Lepe Rubing. Rubing's idea to create a new sport fusing two disciplines X and Y. So what we are looking for? The hybrid is sport popular in Germany, India, UK and Russia. So the answer is chess and boxing. So chess boxing is what we are looking for. So either would do. If you know chess and boxing, so the third part chess boxing would be good and clear. So anyone would do. Next question. Uh, so we are looking for a famous football club. This one was easy. So most probably every one of you cracked. So this club was founded as Jubilee Club in 1887. The logo was a giveaway hint. There was so much of history. It was renamed as Christian Club, then Hamidia Club. So we are looking for the famous football club. Mohammedan is Sporting Club is good enough. Next question. This is a term in basketball which was previously known by some other name. In 1967, this was declared illegal, only to be legalized 9 years later. So, uh, what term is being talked about? So answer is slam dunk. Easy one. Connect JP group and two images. What else? But Buddha International Circuit. Gautam Buddha was right there. Moving on to the next question. So there was something unique about a particular match. On May 2, 2007, a men's tennis exhibition match was played between Roger Federer, the then top-ranked men's singles players, and Rafael Nadal. So there was some uniqueness about match. Uh, so the court cost 1.63 million to make and took 19 days to prepare. Something unique about the court. So this one is one side of the court was of grass, the other side was of clay. So as simple as that. Moving on to next question. So we are looking for a sport which is an outdoor sport. Initially the major instrument used in the sport was plum shaped and made out of hand stitched leather casing and pegs. The current shape of the instrument only took over from the previous shape originally used in 1892. So which sport being talked about? The answer is rugby. Rugby balls are made by pig bladers. Next question. So what famous thing happened in 1976, or by what name are these steps known? So as simple as that. 1976 is giveaway hint. So these are known as Rocky step. The movie Rocky was shot here. Next question. Name this way of cheering and also the country whose fans made this popular in 2016. So this is a way in which fans cheered their team. Although it existed since a long time, it became a popular worldwide in 2016. So what particular way of cheering is this? So this is the country is Iceland and the style is Viking clap, Viking thunder clap or volcano clap. Anything would do. So connect, exhaustive connect, simple one. If you just pronounce what is there in the question, the answer will be out. We have a panther, we have a Mumba Devi, we have uh, pirates three times, and then we have bulls, and then we have warrior. So these are the winners of the Pro Kabaddi League. Jaipur Pink Panthers, U Mumba, Patna Pirates three times, Bengaluru Bulls, and Bengal Warriors. So we are looking for a phrase and the sports person in the question. The phrase is basically used in a certain instance where one of the competitor win against the other competitor. Use of this phrase increases in a particular time of a year. Moreover, this phrase came more into limelight in early 2010s when a particular book by a famous writer was given a different shape. The author's middle name is the first name of a sports person who once endorsed Corona footwears. Simply identify the phrase, the sports person in the question. So the answer is the phrase is kai poche. So used in the kite flying competition. So is good enough. Kite flying is good enough. Phrase is kai poche, and the book from which it is inspired uh, is by Chetan Bhagat, and the middle name of Chetan Bhagat is Chetan Prakash Bhagat. So Prakash, and the person who endorsed uh, the Corona footwears was Prakash Padukone in 1980s. Moving on to the next question. To ensure victory is a tagline of a venture. The venture which get its name from one of his achievement in earlier part of a particular year in the later part, not what, it's part of 20th century. Name the venture and the person behind the venture. As simple as that. uh, So if we think about the timeline, so later part in 20th century, it's 1999, and a victory is 10 wicket by Anil Kumble, and the venture is 10 wick. It gets its name from 10 wickets. So the person is Anil Kumble. Next question. He was the first Olympic gold medalist from his country, famously defeated his idol in a particular edition of Olympics few years back. In fact, his granduncle was the first ever Olympian of their young country. Being a relatively young and small country, it is compulsory for all male citizens above the age of 18 to serve in the military, police, or the emergency services. People rarely get to skip these services. So, we are looking for a person and his idol. So the answer is Joseph Schooling, and his idol is Michael Phelps. He famously defeated uh, Joseph Schooling. Joseph Schooling famously defeated Michael Phelps in the Olympics, and the event is butterfly. NCAA basketball is one of the biggest attraction in US, and Kansas Jayhawks men's in basketball team has been consistently one of the best performing teams in the competitive history. Of all Kansas coaches, only one has losing record. Who and claim to fame? Easy one. This is none other than James Naismith, the inventor of basketball. A googly one, I would say. So the inventor of basketball will fetch you half points, and James Naismith will fetch you full points. So fans of cricket are no stranger to the bad omen associated with Nelson 111. The late David Shepard helped increase in its popularity with the Nelson Hop to guide a team to its best whenever its total was at 111. Having established the genuinity of the Nelson, it's no surprise that the only instance of the top three batsmen of a team getting out for one each in ODI resulted in the team's loss. Later, the losing captain would go on to describe the top three's dismissal for one each as a spell of bad cricket. Which fascinating match is being talked about? We don't need to go too far. The answer is India versus New Zealand Cricket World Cup 2019 semi-final, where KL Rahul, Rohit Sharma, and Virat Kohli all got out for 1 runs each in 7 balls, 4 balls, and 6 balls respectively. Next question. Pitch invasion is nothing new, and the challenges of the stopping invader has long troubled football leagues, but the tactic of the prevent pitch invasion and clashes might have gone in a bit gory if local authorities hadn't interfered in the Romanian 4th division in 2003. So Stuia Nicoli Balcesu were threatened with expulsion from the league after few serious cases of invasion and clashes. So something happened. So what was a remarkable idea that helped to stop the hooligans for once and all? As simple as that. Crocodile pool. So Gingrich suggested a building a crocodile infested moat around the pitch. So the person in the picture was an avid cricket enthusiast in 1880s and a playing member of Melbourne Cricket Club. After being educated in law from Winchester College and University of Oxford, he worked as school teacher and continued to ply his trade as a bowler. Modern historians claim that he was a homosexual, and after being terminated from his job as cricket, committed suicide by drowning himself in Thames. So, what was he more famous for? So, more claim to fame is what being talked about. So, the answer is he was suspected to be a Jack the Ripper. Jack, only Jack the Ripper would fetch you half points. He was suspected to be Jack the Ripper. So is Dinko Singh. He is an Indian player who won the gold medal in 1998 Asian Games in Bangkok. When returned to his home state after the medal help inspiring many, which Kangthei born player's journey thus began. This was one easy one. I hope most of you got correct. So the answer is Mary Kom. MC Mary Kom, Mangthei Chungjang, Chungejang, Mary Kom, Mangthei Chungejang, Mary Kom. So X is a candy line created by Y and candy veteran Jeff Rubin, founder international retailers It's Sugar. According to X's website, X is premium candy line that reflects the fun, fashionable, sweet side of the international sensation Y. A portion of all proceeds goes to the Y Foundation. Give me X and Y. Y is a sports person, and X gets its name from the main ingredient of the candy and a part of X's name. So the answer is Sugar Pova and Maria Sharapova. So the last question, identify and claim to fame which led to many infamous incidents. Sorry for that spelling mistake. Identify and claim to fame. Many infamous incident happened because of him, I would say. The answer is, so he is Ken Aston, responsible for developing yellow and red card system in football. So that was all from our side. So keep watching our channel. There are many more videos in our channel that we have posted in past. Do subscribe our channel, like the video, share with your friends. Thank you.